So hello guys, today I'm going to speak about Multiversum. Multiversum technology pushes traditional blockchain beyond its current limits by enhancing the data loyal through self-verifying distributed structures of organized data in ties, related one to another by symbolic links. This technology set the foundations for a decentralized and distributed system of current self-verifying transactions. Multiversum allows, instead of the exciting blockchain simple data model, the creation of relation crypto database, an advanced and organized data storage solution which can handle not just a single data type, but a series of data grouped in graphs of complex data structures related one another. Relations are not first-class citizens of the blockchain and are issued by cryptographic methods, each one of them. When a state change is requested, will have its own subchain splitting from the original branch that will rejoin after the operation in order to be validated. Multiversum offers complex data organization instead of data sequencing, chain splitting and rejoining to allow for greater scalability and parallelism, and the concept of proof of integrity validation, cryptographic proof of server code, instead of exciting proof of work or proof of stake solution. Furthermore, Multiversum will feature ERC20 or ERC20-free integration, allowing coins and tokens from other solutions to be hosted on their chain and vice versa, with notary services as an external confirmation method. Meanwhile, together with these innovations, they are certainly going to make use of several good solutions that their colleagues already implemented over time. So what about benefits? This solution, a relation blockchain, has got 4.0. They provide their customers with tools that allow the generation leap to a safer blockchain 4.0, able to create synergies among cryptocurrencies and to adapt to their specific needs, splitting and rejoining itself, allowing for a neater and faster data flux which can manage them in a complex structure universe. A brand new blockchain which features different types of data related in a multidimensional structure. In less than 0.2 seconds, funds are transferred across wallets, including secure validation of the transactions, among the fastest in the world. Unmatched scalability up to 64,000 TPC on a 64-core server, 64+ cores technologies. Proof of stake will be replaced by proof of integrity, cryptographic proof of service code, cutting-edge security in access and funds transfers with biometric inputs, and eco-friendly Multiversum transactions will have insignificant costs and next to zero environmental footprint. Optional rollback can be activated on Multiversum hosted tokens. Resources optimization among node because of chain severability. Optional rollback can be activated on Multiversum hosted tokens. Resources optimization among nodes because of chain severability. MTV nodes scattered all over the world for unmatched resilience, reliability, and global disaster recovery. So you will ask, how does it work? The pioneer of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, together with all its various clones and forks based on proof-of-work algorithm from transaction validation, are considered first-generation blockchains. The second generation, with Ethereum leading the charge of smart contracts, enabled blockchains is instead more heterogeneous, allowing easy tokenization of assets. Both architectures have extremely low energy efficiency and medium-low block validation speed and transactions per block. Solving the scalability, speed, and energy consumption issues is the goal. Third-generation blockchain solution, using different approaches and techniques like proof-of-stake validation algorithm, off-chain routing, graph chains, or partial centralization. The fourth generation is going far beyond this, achieving faster and more scalable solutions and trying at the same time to become competitive from a business perspective. Simple chains of data are not flexible enough to fulfill corporate environment needs, in which complex data structures needed to be organized in tables as in relation databases. At the same time, those structures need to be validated and made immutable with blockchain-based techniques, increasing traceability and security. In other words, fourth generation blockchain brings the technology to complete primary production application and expand current business-oriented offer in terms of data storage, application decentralization, auditing, security, and reliability. Company Multiversum has got their own roadmap. In March of 2018, they have got pre-ICO. In June of 2018, start of external team development, plus 3 months check and update system. In April of 2018, they got ICO company. In plus of 3 months, company has got on-chain abstraction drivers, libraries, integrations, and also in plus 3 months, company has got proof of integrity along biometric data, app on Android, web or iOS. So what about token? Company has got ERC20. The Ethereum token standard is a technical standard used for smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. ERC20 tokens must use gas to process transactions. Gas represents the work needed to perform a computation, for example, a smart contract. Gas isn't a token or a cryptocurrency. Gas is paid out in Ethereum. Transactions with more gas will be prioritized by the blockchain network and processed more quickly. Airdrop of the not distribute tokens twice a week to all the wallets that still hold 100% of the MTV tokens purchased at any ICO stage. Their airdrop will start 2 weeks after the end of ICO and will last 18 months. 1% of funds raised will be donated to charitable organizations. About 50% of tokens for founders and team blocked for 20 months. About 6% for collaborators. About 3% for advisors and partnerships. And about 76% for contributors. Also, company has got their own Telegram channel in which you can find all interesting information and facts about members of this company. Also, you can join Facebook account and Telegram channel in which you can find all interesting information, facts, and you can read news. At the end of the review, I would like to note that company strives to grow and further set huge goals. Moreover, due to its development, it will attract people's attention more and more. So, thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Good luck.